Okay, so in this video, we will learn that another very powerful pattern, that is a React prompting pattern. So, what it is, the concept behind is, suppose you are asking something to ChatGPT or any other artificial tools. So, being a customer, being a student, being a teacher, being a but you means you are facing some problem. You want to get some outcome, you want to get some response, you want to get some help. So you want ChatGPT to respond so that you can become more perfect, more accurate on that. Suppose you are dealing with a customer, you have one product and you are dealing with a customer. So customer is very annoying, customer is not happy with your service, with your product. So how you will satisfy that customer, how will you solve that problem? The customer is angry, customer customer took your product and he is or she is not satisfied, and now he is a grievance customer. So what you can do, how you will handle those customer? So you will tell ChatGPT that hey, you react on this situation. So ultimately you need to react on that customer. You customer is angry, customer is grievance customer, you need to respond, you need to solve that problem, you need to handle those customer. So how you will handle, you don't know. So but professionally you need some advance, you can take help. I want to say that you want to take some help, you want to take some suggestion from ChatGPT, that hey ChatGPT, you react as a customer, or you feel that I am your customer and I am facing this problem, this situation, how you will react it? So ChatGPT will react in a professional way. So you can copy it and then you can reply to your customer, or you can take the feedback out of it. So it is the one example. So let us take one example here. So it is saying what is what is a React prompting pattern? That is, this example illustrates React prompting by identifying how ChatGPT should respond to different inputs, providing valuable feedback and promoting for further interaction or clarification. Okay, so here is the example number one. Example number one: customer service interaction. So here I have mentioned, I think, three, four examples I have mentioned, and for you, you can create lots of example for your purpose, for your based on your industry, based on your topic, your subject, your problem. You can create it. Okay. So the example number one is, when I provide, you are telling ChatGPT or any other artificial tools that when I provide a customer complaint, react by empathizing with the customer, acknowledging their issue, and offering a solution or next steps. After your response, ask me if there are any other concern that the customer has. Okay, so what you will do? You will I will provide you the complaint what customer made. The customer made a complaint, so I will provide that copy. React how you will handle that customer, how you will solve that customer's problem. So you keep in mind that react by empathizing with the customer. You need to empathize that customer, acknowledge their issue, and offer a solution or next steps. Solution, and then what next? After your response, you will ask me whether that customer is satisfied or not, whether I am satisfied with your solution or not, and then you will go ahead. Okay. Okay, so this is one example, and the another example is okay. So let us practice. The customer is upset because their package arrived late. Okay, this is the issue. So how you will handle? Let us practice this example first. Let me copy it. Let me go to ChatGPT. Let me paste it and press hit enter. Got it. Please go ahead and provide the customer complaint, and I will handle it accordingly. Okay. So in this case, what I can do, I can copy this thing. The customer is upset because their package arrived late, and again we can add any further. The customer is upset because their package arrived late, and the product is a little damaged. Little is a little damage. Okay, so there are two options. So let us press enter. See how it handle. I'm really sorry. So it's saying that I'm really sorry to hear about the delay and the damage of your product. I understand how frustrating this must be. Here is what we can do to resolve this replacement, as I told that damage. So it is saying replacement or refund. or we can either replace the damaged product or issue a full refund depending on your preference. Expediting the shipping, if you choose a replacement, we can expedite the shipping at no additional cost to ensure it arrives as soon as possible. Please let me know which option would you prefer, or if there is anything else we can do to make this right. Are there any option, are there other concern you have about this issue? So about this issue, suppose I am this one. So explain, again I will ask, explain one, a replacement and refund, or okay, let's explain two, point number two. Suppose I want to get more clarity on the point. So it is again, see here, only 2.2 lines it has written, but now it is again it's clarifying me. uh, Expedited shopping, if you choose to have the damaged product replaced, we will arrange for the new item to be shipped to your using and expedited service. This means that instead of the standard shipping time, your replacement will be delivered more quickly, open within a few days. You won't charge your extra. We won't charge you extra for this faster shipping to make up for the inconvenience. Okay, so again, it's how I think you have seen how it is handling that customer. So accordingly, you can take the suggestion, you can take the inspiration, and you can handle those customers. So again, it is asking, are there any other concern you have about this issue? So again, you can say customer will not agree. Customer is not agree with both of the solution. What else? The customer is not agree with both of the solution. Both of the solution. Customer is not agree with both of the solution. Customer is customer does not agree with the both of the solutions. What else? Then what? Then what to do? I'm again asking, the you have given me two suggestions, but customer is not ready to accept it. So what to do? If the customer doesn't agree with the proposal solution, here is how you can proceed. Seek further input. Ask the customer what they would find acceptable as a resolution. This this also this allows them to suggest a solution that might better meet their needs. Escalate the issue if the customer request is beyond what you can offer. Escalate the issue to your supervisor or higher level support. You may have more flexibility or authority to address the concern. Provide additional compensation. Consider offering of form of compensation such as a discount on further purchase or a gift card to acknowledge this frustration and encourage them to continue doing business with you. Reassurance and follow up. Reassure the customer that their feedback is valuable and that you are committed to resolving the issue. Make sure to follow up to confirm that their concern have been addressed satisfactorily. Would you like to discuss any specific option? So again, it is asking. So see, the first thing, how ChatGPT handled it, provided two solution. Then again, I said it is not happy that customer. Again, it provided four example, and then again it's asking, would you like to discuss any specific option or strategies for handling such situation? Again, you can ask according to your customer, and you can solve the problem. So I think you got the idea. So let us take another example. Educational tutor. When I ask a question about a specific topic, react by explaining the concept in simple terms, providing an example, and offering a related question to test my understanding. After your response, ask me if I need further clarification or not. Here is the input. Can you explain the Pythagorean theorem? Okay, so again, this is all the prompts are very unique, so you can copy it, paste it, and replace your content, replace your outcome, what do you expect from chat gpt, and it will provide more accurate answer. Okay, so example number 3, brainstorming session. So it is asking, when I propose an idea, react by providing, here the keyword is react. Okay, when I propose an idea, react by providing constructive feedback, suggesting improvements, and offering an alternative perspective. After your response, ask me if I have another idea or if I would like to expand on the current one or not. Okay, so here is the thing. What is your question or input? I want to create an app that helps people track their water intake. Again, the example number 4 is job interview preparation, the unique example I have given here. Again, the example number 5 is creative writing feedback. Okay, so let me take one example uh, to explain job interview preparation. Okay, let's take job interview preparation, this example. So I would ask ChatGPT, this is my question, this is it. Okay, let me take a fresh page, otherwise it will be messed up. Let's check. When I give you a response to a typical interview question, react by evaluating my answer, suggesting ways to improve it, and providing an example of a strong response after you. So what it will happen is, so you, that means suppose you are going to take an interview with an interviewer in a particular company, might be Google, Amazon, any company. So you don't know, based on your input, what kind of questions, what kind of reaction the interviewer can ask you or can tell you. Okay, so you can mock it up with chat gpt or any other artificial tools. So here is this. Suppose you are a candidate and chat gpt is an interviewer. So now chat gpt is saying, got it, just provide me with your answer to an interview questions, I will give you feedback and suggestion for improvement. Read you are ready when you are. Okay, so just provide me with your just provide me with your answer to an interview question, I will give you feedback. So here, yes, I'm ready. Yes, I'm ready. Okay, now, great, go ahead and share your response to an interview questions and I will provide feedback on suggestion. Suppose interviewer ask, you can tell, inter asked me about the interview asked me that, why should I join, why should I hire, why should I hire you? I interviewer, the interviewer asked me that why should I hire you? I responded, shift enter, I responded that I need more salary hike. I need more salary hike. Why should I hire you? No, this is not the right. Anyway, I can tell anything based on this question. Anyway, so let me take some relevant. The interviewer asked me, why should I hire you? Replied, I replied that I am one of the best candidate. I know everything about the position, everything about the. I have. I have best skill set. For an example, for your case it might be different. So I replied that I replied that I was one of the best candidate. I was one of the best candidate. I have the best skill set. Okay, so now you tell that interviewer asked me this thing and I said this, so whether it is good or bad, or you explain me or you suggest me. So evaluation, your response indicates confidence, but it is quite bored and lacks specifics. Simplify stating that you are one of the simplify stating you are one of the best candidates and have the best skill set doesn't provide the interviewer with concrete response or examples to support your claim. They want to understand how your skill and experience align with this job role and how you can add value to their team. Suggestion for improvement here, now the cream thing is that be specific, highlight specific skills and experience that directly relate to the job description.